Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about MR filter reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And guys, apart from that, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping store which is based in Australia, United Kingdom and United States that deals with multiple products including automotive tools, electrical tools, farm tools, filters and oils, hardware items, industrial items including compressors, generators, pressure washers, pumps and motors, etc., and lube equipment or items including fuel equipment, funnels, grease equipment, oil equipment including safety products like clothing, fire extinguishers, first aid, flagpole, footwear, and tools and storage tools, including hand tools, trucks and machines, workshop items, etc. So you can find vast variety of products on this website, and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now guys, let's talk about other information and talking about payment info. So guys, they have not provided payment information section, which is not a good sign, but let's check out the delivery policy of this website. So this is the delivery information page, and here they have mentioned that the order processing duration will be 1 to 2 days, and it will take around 5 days for the delivery. So this was the shipping information guys, and rest information you can read for your knowledge and convenience. Now let's talk about other information, but before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And guys, I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, the site is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about its domain information, guys, we are not able to find any domain correct or exact domain information about this domain name, but yes, we have found that the website was last updated on 2nd of March 2020. So this was the only information that we have found according to our study and research. So guys, this is a negative sign here that we are not able to find the exact domain registration date. Now guys, let's check out the about us page of this website. So this is the about us page, and here they have mentioned the information related to brand connection info regarding the business establishment year and owner information, etc. So you can take a look. They have provided each and every information. So guys, this is a good sign here. Now let's move on to the contact details of this website. So guys, they have provided the entire contact details including the address and contact number and email address. So this is a good sign here. They've also provided a query form. If you have any query or questions, you can connect with the company via the given inquiry form. So this is a positive sign guys, and you can see at the bottom of the web page they have provided the contact number and email address which matches with the domain name. So this is a good sign here. Now talking about social media presence guys, so they have provided 4 social media icons including Facebook, Instagram and Google Plus, but yes, this time the Facebook page is not available due to some error, and they have created a recent profile on Instagram with some followers. So you can check out the social media existence on Instagram right now. Now talking about return policy guys, let's check out the return policy page of this website. So this is the return policy page, and here they have provided 28 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product, as it will give benefit to other customers. And guys, talking about Mr. Filter review, so we have found no reviews about this site on the internet, as this is a new website for us because we are not able to find the domain creation date of this website. So guys, we can't judge this website on the basis of customer reviews, but yes, There is so much information about the website and about the companies which define its legitimacy. So in the final conclusion, the website appears to be legit as we are able to find out the correct information of the company's information. So guys, we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. Do not purchase anything before exploring this website, guys. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. To comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.